everyone, welcome. I hope that you're doing really well today. Today we are here to shop my stash. We are going to go through and pick out the products that I will be using this coming week. So if you would like to join me, I have my basket. Notice it's getting bigger. Let's go shop. Okay, all my cameras were dead, so I'm using my phone. Seriously, that was an epic fail. I apologize right now. I messed up somehow. All of my cameras were dead. The batteries were dead. So I just grabbed my phone. I went over to the foundation drawer. I explained my camera batteries are dead, so I'm using my phone. I hope it's not too shaky. Somewhere, somehow, right in that time frame of me telling you that I was using my phone, I hit the record button again and stopped it. Got nothing. I apologize. I truly apologize. I'm just going to go through this stuff, show you what we picked. I tell you what, there is no hope for me. The LA Girl palettes that I purchased recently, I wanted to give those a try for the whole week instead of just one day. This is the LA Girl Nudist. Once again, here's a little look at it. And then we have the Blushed Babe palette. And there you go. 4 palettes. I even took you to this part of my room and that part of my room. The Morphe palette, I just blindly picked one, and it is 35E. And I don't think there's any mattes in here at all. But some beautiful, some beautiful colors. Those are really pretty colors. And over on that side of the room, I picked the BH Studio Pro palette. So this will be fun, but there's some mattes in here. I'm going to hit myself in the face with it. But there's some mattes in here. So those are the eyeshadow palettes. For foundation, I had not tried this in a long time. This is the Skin Perfect HD foundation from Kokie Cosmetics. I truly do not remember my thoughts on this, so I'm excited to give that a try again. And oh my goodness, I had not used my Makeup Forever HD in so long, so I grabbed this guy. For my powders, I grabbed the Maybelline Fit Me. This is a number 15 light, but let me tell you, that is like my tan color, you know what I mean? And then for my blurring, Physicians Formula Cover Talks 10, this is a Wrinkle Therapy Face Powder. Well, why am I not using this like all over? Translucent Medium. For blushes, I have that one palette from LA Girl, and then I picked this Hourglass palette. This is the Ambient Lighting Edit. This is from probably 3 or 4 years ago. For my contour, I have contour and bronzers, and then I have highlight over here too is my MAC. I also pulled these foundations out. They are the L'Oreal Pro Glow because I do have a little bit of a tan. Normally I can't use the Kat Von D petal unless I do. I have a tan now, so I'm going to use the petal this week. For concealers, I just pulled out the Tarte Shape Tape because I have not used this in a long time. And I am finding as I'm going through my collection that there's things that I used to love that I'm really not so fond of anymore. So I will be using the Tarte this week. Real Infallible. I want to give it a really good try. So I'm going to use that also. Hope that you all have a really, really, really good day. Appreciate you so much. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.